All right, guys, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing on this Topzee blender. And this thing is pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. It comes with this little recipe book. And check this thing out, man. It's dishwasher safe. It comes with these blades. It comes with two more blades than a lot of other brands do. And I actually have been needing one of these for a while now. I had another brand, the Magic Bullet, but it got worn out and it stopped blending. So I'm pretty excited about this one here. And I like that it's larger. I can make my salsas. I do a lot of cooking, and my kids, they love smoothies. They're into sports and whatnot. So I'm definitely excited to try this thing, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion and tell you guys if this thing is worth it or not. So the first thing I notice is the thing is made out of plastic, and it's pretty durable. I like that it's not glass because glass tends to break sometimes, and the cap comes on and off pretty easily. And as you can see, it has a measuring. You can measure how much you put it in there, and this is great if you like to go to the gym. You can take it with you, store it in the fridge the night before, and just get ready to hit that gym early. So this thing, it just used AC outlet power. Just plug it in, and that's pretty much how it's connected. And I'm definitely gonna be using some of those recipes. I was checking out that book. I'm like, oh man. So right here, I'm gonna make my favorite type of smoothie. Here is just ice, banana, some fresh strawberries, and then some milk. And for me, this is healthy, especially this time of year where it's January and I'm trying to lose some weight. So yeah, this is definitely gonna come in clutch. And I'm super busy, so I like the fact that this thing is definitely gonna save me some time. You know, I'm definitely gonna be using this on a regular basis. And to use this thing, you basically just push down and you turn it and it turns on. And this thing blends really quickly. It's very powerful and high powered. And what I like is as soon as you take this off, it converts into that blender bottle. And look, if you don't have stuff like a smoothie in there, you can put water, you can stay hydrated through the day. It can act as your water bottle too. I've never had a blender that converts into a blender bottle, so I'm definitely sold on it. And I would say if you're looking for something to blend with, this is really great. It made a great smoothie. As you can see, I'm loving it. Hopefully this helps, guys.